Next, I'm going to show how to host a static website hosting using Amazon S3 packet. First, sign in the console. Next, the S3 is if S3 is not recently present, then go to search bar and type S3. From there, you can go to the S3 page. Then click create bucket. Now, the general configurations. First, you have to check the AWS region. I am choosing Asia Pacific, which is my nearest region. Then packet type is general purpose. Then I need to give the packet name. For the it's a unique one. For that, I give the packet name along with today's date. Then everything as default and click create packet. Now packet is successfully created. Then I'm going to create the sample website using ChatGPT. For that, I'm going to create four files, which is index.html, error.html, style.css, and script.js. Index.html is a home page. If it is any error happen, it's a redirect to error.html. For symbol styling purpose, I am using style.css. The four files I kept in the web folder and store in the desktop, which is I'm going to upload in the S3 packet. Next, I will go to my bucket. That's I will select all the files which is inside the folder. Then click upload. Now all the files inside the folder is uploaded successfully. That's now in my is in my bucket. Next, I will check the object URL. Just copy and paste it in the browser. I check whether it's working successfully. No, it's shown the error as access denied because I need to give four permission. First, I need to enable the static website. Then next, I need to uncheck off public block access. Then third one is I give the object permissions, which is enable the ACL. The third one is I need to make my folder as public. For that, first I go to properties, then go to static website hosting. Here it's disabled. Then I click edit and enable. And here I have to give the index document as index.html. This is a home page. You have to give your home page link here. Then if it is any error happen, it's the error document. Here I am using error.html as a file. Then click OK. Now successfully enable the edited the static website hosting. Next go to the permissions. Here first initially it's on block all public access. I need to off which is give the public access to my website. So I uncheck block all public access and give save changes. Before that I need to confirm it. So I just copy and paste the confirm and click confirm. Now I off all block. Now I off block all public access. Next, I need to give the object ownership permission, which is give the ACL, that's access control list. So for that, I need to go to the object ownership and click edit. Here, it's initially its ACL is disabled. We need to enable the ACL. For that, I check the ACL enabled and save changes. Before that, I need to acknowledge the ACL access and give save changes. Now I enable the object ownership permissions. Now I can give the control that read and write access to my folder. Next, I'm going to go to my objects and select the folder and make us public. Before that, I can give make public using ACL. Click make public. Now the status is my folder is make public, successfully edited the public access. Now again refresh my page. It will show my home page, that's index.html. The symbol script.js is working properly. When I click the click me, next I'm going to show how to delete my S3 packet. So for that first I'm going to packet and select my packet and click delete. We cannot delete because the packet have some files. So first we need to empty the packet. For that, I click empty and for ensure, I just write permanently delete and click empty. Now all my files and folder which is in the packet is deleted, that's emptied successfully. Now I can delete the packet. So again I'm going to the packet and select my packet and give delete. To ensure the delete process, I have to give the packet name again, then click delete packet. Now my packet is successfully deleted.